Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, like I've been saying the last couple of days, I think this is a WXY right here. I think this first push up is the A. I think this is like an expanding wave B, and I still think this is going to go up a lot for a wave C. Today is CPI inflation data. Now, the problem with this analysis is if I go to the weekly time frame, I still think that this 78% needs to get hit. So that's the only thing I am a little apprehensive about because on the weekly, monthly, I'm definitely still very, very bearish. Daily time frame makes me think that it needs to be bullish before it becomes bearish. Oftentimes, when you start thinking like that, what happens is it just goes down and your weekly, monthly, high time frame analysis was correct the whole time. So for now, I'm definitely sticking to the WXY, and I'm definitely still very bullish. Today is CPI inflation data, and because of the fact that I'm still very bullish, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here, and I'm definitely looking at anything I see to the downside as possibly just a pullback within an uptrend. Like I said, we do need to keep in mind that the weekly and the monthly is in a downtrend, and that the downtrend literally could continue at any time. But the daily is definitely still making me think that this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on, like the 4 hour to daily time frame for that wave C of wave Y. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.